In this video tutorial, we are going to analyze a bar which has got some weight. In the previous example, we have never considered a weight of the body. So this bar has got some weight which is W per unit length. Length of the bar is L. Area of cross section is A. W, small w is weight per unit length for this bar, and capital W is total weight. Capital W is W into L, total weight of the bar. Young's modulus we are taking as E. This bar is hanging freely from this end and no other weight is applied at the end. So to analyze this bar, we are going to consider a small element at distance x. At distance x, we are going to consider a element of length dx. Now when this x is equal to L, then we will reach to this point, and when this x becomes 0, then we will reach to this endpoint. So we are going to consider integrate x from 0 to L, or L to 0 for that matter. Now the net force on this element, how much will be net force on this element? The net force will be due to weight of this section of bar. How much will be the weight of this section? It will be small w into x. This d I have written wrong. Small w into x. We are not going to consider this. So elongation of small section dx of length will be delta L dx, and it will be equal to net force on this element, which will be w into x, length of this element, which is equal to dx, area of this element into Young's modulus. Total elongation, to find out total elongation, we will integrate it from L to 0. So delta L will be integration of this value. It is a simple integration and it will come out to be w x square to AE. Simple, this as x is integrated x square by 2 and plus one constant c. Now to find out this c, what we are going to do, we are going to put some boundary condition. Boundary condition is at x is equal to L, which is this point, we will have elongation as 0. We will put this value, these two value in this equation, and we will find out the value of c comes out to be minus WL square upon 2AE. Now we will put this c value into this equation and we will get this equation. So this equation is useful to find out any, suppose question is asking what will be the elongation of at x is equal to 2 by 3. This 1 by 3 element, इसका elongation कितना होगा? So we can find out any elongation in between. And for the end point, where is the end point? When x is equal to 0. So total elongation will be at the end point when x is equal to 0. We will put x is equal to 0 in this equation and we can get the formula for total elongation at the end point as WL square into upon 2AE. Now W into L is total W. W into L is total W. So we will take W and 1L from this L square and we will get this formula for total elongation. So this is all for this video tutorial. Thank you.